Hello guys, now you can see on the screen there is a laptop, there is a monitor, and of course this monitor is not the normal monitors. This monitor is a touch monitor, and if I say touch, it's not IR, it's the new technologies P capacitive touch. If I say P capacitive touch, that means its touch accuracy is faster than any touch technologies, right? Just have a look, how does it look like. This monitor is 24 inches diagonally. I mean, like, it's a 2 feet diagonally, this touch monitor. And the laptop, you can see, you have to have one connectivity, you have to have one input devices. Input devices means this is your input device, this is your output device. And laptop, you can replace laptop with Android media player, and it could be CPU also, normal CPU, which generally being used with the monitor, desktop monitor, and compact PC. Nowadays people are preferring compact PCs, which is very smaller but does have good specifications. I mean i3, i5, and you need storage on RAM. It's totally depend on your applications. It can be customizable. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the back view of the monitors. You can see the back view of the tabletop stand. That arm, it can goes up, it can goes down as well. Okay, I mean to say, like this one, it can goes up, it can goes down. So it's totally depend on your sitting and your viewing angle. You can adjust. As far as the connectivity part between the laptop and the touch monitor, as I said, like, you know, it could be your CPU, it could be your compact CPU and Android based media player, but the connectivity would be like HDMI port. Here is the HDMI 1 connectivity, and here is also the HDMI interface, and the second cable is USB. Second cable is a USB 1. This one side is a USB, another side is a touch interface there itself. So to enable the touch, it should both should be simultaneously, it should have a simultaneously, you know, connected with the monitor, touch monitor, then only touch works. Okay, and it does have, this monitor does have the USB 3 USB interfaces. You can see I have already plugged in one USB. I can access USB from here itself, right? So I'm going to show you how does it look like, you know, if I say touch. So if I say progressive capacitive touch, it should respond immediately. I'll go to the Google, where I have already opened, you know, some gallery, pics gallery. Now you can see I'm sliding actually a lot of images here. So when you are in front of your customer, or if it is for yourself, you can, with your finger, you can slightly use this touch monitor. Stylus, it comes with stylus pen as well. Okay, write this one, write this one. So I'm using finger only. Wow, so bright color. Okay, so I'll go to the site where I get the specification of this model. You can find this model 24 inches anyhow, you can see here, 22 inches also it is available, and 16 inches also it is available. So all features are same, like, you know. This monitor does have full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080p, so it gives a very good picture quality. Dynamic contrast, oh my god, 50 million is to 1. Now you can understand a lot of good videos also you can watch. If you want to watch movies, or probably if you want to watch any corporate presentation videos, it comes really perfectly. And light source LED, see the brightness level 250 nit 1. So 250 nit. Now you can compare the brightness of the monitor with the touch monitors. You can find this one is the brighter one, brightest one, right? And this monitor does have 30,000 hours. 30,000, you means like in your consumer TVs actually, I think 20 to 25,000, 20,000, I think max to max 20,000. So 30,000 is It's a good backlit life hours. Refresh rate is also 60 Hertz. And surface treatment, anti-glare and hard coating one. It's anti-glare one. I mean, you won't find reflections of your any bright objects. You know, the features versatile touch applications, efficient multitasking, touch annotations of presentations, accurate yet smooth touch experience, comfortable working angles, and quickly start your work. I'm gonna play one video. This video is from ViewSonic only. It does have internal speakers, 2 watts internal speaker, and you can connect your earphone with this touch monitors. Now, example, you are sitting in your office, and under the table you'll have CPU or compact PCs. You'll have only touch monitor on the table, and you can connect webcam on this display and can have video conferencing. Now you can write, but writing is possible with annotation software. That software is available on the web freely. I hope you like this video. Now this one, see the responsive time. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Even the minor details also you can see. I'm gonna do zoom in with 2 fingers, right? So this is all about the touch monitors. Application wise, I hope you can understand about, like, where we can use these touch monitors, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.